Hi there, Craft Owl here. Today we are going to be working on a crocheted scarf. It's beginner level and it's great for Christmas gifts or birthday gifts. We are going to begin by yarning over and forming a slip knot. The color we're using today is lemonade yellow. Now that we have formed a slip knot, we are going to chain one. We begin by yarning over and pulling through a loop. We will continue until we reach a total of 15 stitches. Now that we have reached 15 stitches, we are going to turn our work and insert our crochet hook through the second chain on our hook. Yarning over, we now have 2 loops. We yarn over again through those 2 loops. Insert, yarn over, 2 loops, yarn over again. We continue this until we reach the end of our work. Now that we have reached the end of our work, we are going to chain 1 and turn our work. Insert into our second chain from our hook. Yarn over, we now have 2 loops, yarn over again. Insert, yarn over again. Insert, yarn over again. Continue this until you reach the end of your work. Now that we have reached the end of our work, we are going to chain 1 and turn our work. Insert our crochet hook into the second chain from our hook. Yarn over and pull through your 2 loops. Insert, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We will continue this all the way down till we reach the end, chain 1, and turn our work until we reach 5 feet. If you've gotten this far, your work will begin to look something like this. Continue until it measures 5 feet.